Now today we're going to be going over ringworm. Now ringworm isn't actually a worm, it's a fungus, which means you need a potent antifungal to get rid of it. Now you can use bleach. I recommend mouthwash to put it on topically and put into your actual laundry when you wash your clothes versus bleach, because bleach bleaches things and it's pretty toxic. Mouthwash is still not completely safe, but it's a lot better than bleach. Now if you want to go with the all-natural approach, apple cider vinegar is recommended by many, but God, that stuff stinks horribly. I recommend turmeric. Now how you make turmeric oil, and this is twice as effective as an antifungal as anything Big Pharma has. So Big Pharma has things that are half as effective as this and poisonous. I use this as a seasoning, and I apply it topically to ringworm, and it just knocks it out. Literally kicks it right in the balls and gives zero, like it just messes it up. But how you make this stuff is you're going to go to your local health food store and you're going to buy a jar of coconut oil. Then you're going to want to buy about a half a pound of turmeric, which is going to run you about $2.50, and this here is going to run you about $20. So with taxes, $25, maybe $27. You pour, because this used to be full, I've been using this for a while now. You pour your coconut oil into a blender with your turmeric, and you blend it. And then once it's a blended up pulpy mess, you pour it into a frying pan and you fry it. The process will take about 2 hours. You're going to spend about 15-20 minutes frying the turmeric, and you'll know it's ready because every 15 minutes you come over there and you stir the pot, and you're smelling for burnt popcorn. When you smell what smells like burnt popcorn, look at that turmeric and you'll be like, the turmeric is starting to blacken. Turn off the heat, because it's going to take it a while for that to cool off, and it's going to fry that entire time. So you just keep stirring it every 15 minutes, letting it cool off for an hour or two, and then you pour it through a strainer so you get just the coconut oil full of turmeric oil and not the little chunks of now blackened turmeric. Loud neighbors. But anyways, if you enjoyed getting this information, hey, help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Give me a like, give me a share, give me a subscribe. Give me your bitches, your gripes, and your complaints in the comments. Maybe I'll make a video on it. And you might want to go through and check out all the other stuff that I've done beforehand, because I might have done something that you're interested in. But until next time, see you all then.